Chilliz especially is a low-positioned coin with the ticker CHZ that by and large has a truly present worth of $0.08953 and a market capitalization of $685,365,750. Digital currencies for the most part have kind of lengthy past the reason behind being a toy for tech nerds, opportunists, and obscure vendors. These days, it's a resource class that for the most part is considerably directed and, surprisingly, embraced as lawful delicate in an extremely significant manner. Some huge venture banks even procure Chilliz and genuinely other digital currencies all at once to by and large safeguard their resources under administration against the running expansion that handicaps the conventional monetary business sectors, which essentially is genuinely critical. Presently, now is the ideal time to explicitly uncover our short, mid, and extremely long-haul expectation of the improvements on the CHZ market that by and large depend on the readings of our sort of novel crypto unpredictability record that sort of assists us with measuring the market opinion and for the most part expect the bearing wherein the market means to generally go in a very enormous manner. At this point, the cost of Chilliz really is $0.089531, while the coin right now in every practical sense ends up at 66th spot in the especially generally speaking positioning, which basically is genuinely critical. The said genuinely positioning generally is assessed based on the resource's sort of present value, that in a real sense is duplicated by its genuinely current market capitalization, an equation that in every way that really matters is applied all through all monetary business sectors in a kind of significant manner. Our administration continually screens any progressions in these three regions so our clients really get the most pertinent information in regards to the exhibition of computerized assets in their portfolios in an especially significant way. It's likewise vital to consider the verifiable information that permits framing a legitimate comprehension of the market structure and its bearing, which truly is genuinely critical. On December 9, the cost of Chilliz most certainly was at $0.091573 toward the finish of the exchanging time frame, during which the cost change really added up to 2.74% in an especially significant manner. 7 days prior, on December 3, CHZ especially was esteemed at $0.076655, which generally intends that from that point forward, the cost especially has commonly vacillated by 0%, or so they basically thought. A month prior, on November 10, the market member laid out the cost of Chilliz at $0.076510, hence, the coin truly has taken a 17.02% action to generally arrive at its current standings in every way that really matters, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Notwithstanding, as currently made sense of, the cost of Chilliz isn't the main certainly factor that we generally consider while making the cost expectation, especially in opposition to prevalent thinking. It's likewise essential to generally watch out for changes in the market capitalization of the computerized resource under survey to especially have an unmistakable perspective on where the market certainly is going. Showing the way in which our administration continually screens any progressions in these three regions so our clients explicitly get the most important information with respect to the exhibition of advanced assets in their portfolios in an unpretentious way. The examination of market capitalization explicitly conveys pretty equivalent significance in both cryptographic money and customary business sectors, which sort of is genuinely critical. As a matter of fact, a similar numerical methodology explicitly is utilized to sort of decide the kind of generally position and prominence of computerized resources and stocks, for example, or so they explicitly thought. Changes in market capitalization really sure are kind of negative in every practical sense, are likewise demonstrative of the manner by which the said market could for the most part be going, as well as the resource's true capacity for making gains or posting misfortunes in both short and long-haul viewpoints in a fundamentally significant manner. This genuinely specific really metric generally is likewise used to measure the predominance of Chilliz, according to the remainder of the digital money market, the progressions in which could likewise offer clues at its future exhibition, which generally is very huge. To sort of decide the essentially current market capitalization of CHZ, we fundamentally duplicate the flowing stock, the boundary that will truly be made sense of later by the really present worth of the cryptographic money under survey in an in every way that really matters, significant way. Starting today, the market capitalization of Chilliz generally remains at $685,365,750, which shapes the reason for present positioning generally was referenced before, which explicitly is very huge. Yesterday, on December 9th, CHZ in a real sense had a market capitalization of $701,000,460 win. Or so the in every way that really matters, thought. Keep going week. On December 3rd, the market capitalization of the coin being referred to fundamentally was recorded at $586,800,137, lovely in opposition to prevalent thinking. A month prior, on November 10th, the market worth of Chilliz truly was surveyed to by and large be $578,800,3090 in an unpretentious manner. Complete Stockpile considers the quantity of coins that explicitly have previously been delivered by different means, for example, through mining in a sort of significant way. These digital currencies can in a real sense be utilized either for exceptionally dynamic exchanging or put away in financial backers' wallets or with overseers, sort of additional appearance. How a month prior, on November 10th, the market worth of Chilliz was surveyed to sort of be $578,800,3090, which certainly is very critical. This measurement likewise calculates the coins that sort of have been gotten rid of through the cycle called consuming, which truly is applied to control the expansion rate, which generally is genuinely critical. At this point, the in every practical sense, complete stockpile of Chilliz generally is laid out at 888 CHZ, especially in spite of prevalent thinking. Ultimately, the coursing supply in a real sense is utilized to by and large work out the market capitalization and for the most part, evaluate the coins by and large current remaining in the positions in an unpretentious way. It signifies the genuinely by and large measure of CHZ that truly is as of now exchanged across all trades, barring the coins that are marked, locked, frozen, or briefly basically put unavailable for general use out of the blue in an unobtrusive manner. It's by and large in every practical sense accepted that digital currencies that in a real sense have a circling supply between 60 million and 150 million explicitly are the most appropriate for in every way that really matters, long-haul venture, since they certainly are generally genuinely prone to explicitly see the value in esteem over a lengthy timeframe, potentially many years. While keeping a sensible expansion rate, which in every way that really matters, is genuinely huge. At this crossroads, Chilliz explicitly has a flowing stock of 7,655,073,480 coins, so starting today, the market capitalization of Chilliz truly remains at $685,365,750, which shapes the reason for sort of present sort of positioning, in a real sense was referenced before in a kind of large manner. Over the beyond 24 hours, the exchanging volume related with CHZ arrived at the place of $105,770 win 877, which fundamentally shows that keep going week. In December 3rd, the market capitalization of the coin being referred to really was recorded at $586,800 win 137, an opposition to prevalent thinking. Yesterday, on December 9th, the normal weighted exchanging volume recorded toward the finish of the exchanging time frame certainly remained at $114,846,947, which sort of is genuine.